Good morning everybody. Today I take your math class. In the previous day I revised chapter 12 and today I revised chapter 13. The subject of 13 is time. Time means if we discuss time, first of all we have to remember that is 1 day equal to 24 hours, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, that is 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So 1 hour equal to 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. Okay, that is 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, and now I have to do I had done all the sums of these chapters in your online class, and I posted all these videos. And now I also revise, that means I show you all the sums once again, and you do it, and you have to practice all these sums. Okay, now I show you the pages. Now I give you the question answer. Write the given time as AM or PM. 9:34 hours means 9 hours 34, that is AM. 9:34 hours means 9:34 AM. 11:45, 12, 15, 20 hours means 3. 15 means after 12. 12, 12, 13, 12 के बाद 13, 14, 15, that means 3. 3:20 PM. After 11, 12, 13, 11, after 12, 13, 14, 15 means 13 means 1 PM, 14 means 2 PM, 15 means 3 PM, 3:20 PM. 11:45 hours means 11:45 AM. 25 hours means 8. 12:25 means 12. 12 के बाद 8, 12 के बाद 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, that is 8. 8:05 PM. 23, 2330 hours equal to 11:30 PM. 1215 hours equal to 12:15 PM. Okay, how many hours are there? If we transfer minutes into hours, we multiply minutes into 60. So if we transfer hours into minutes, that is how many hours are there in hours, minutes ko hours. So 450 minutes, that is 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, 1 minute equal to 1 by 60, 540 minutes equal to 540 by 60, 9 hours. Okay, 120 minutes equal to 1 hour equal to 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, that is 1 minute equal to 1 by 1 by 60, the 120 minutes equal to 2 hours. 7200 seconds equal to 360 seconds. How many seconds are there in 1 hour? 360 seconds equal to 1 hour. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 300, 3600 hours, 72,000 plus 3600, 36, 2 hours. Okay. Now, how many seconds are there in? If we transfers minutes into seconds, so 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 8 minutes equal to, you multiply the minutes into 60. That is 8 into 6 into 8, 480 seconds. 25 minutes equal to 25 into 60, that is 1500 seconds. Okay, 11 minutes 30 seconds, 11 minutes per second, 660 plus 35 seconds, so 695 seconds. Okay, this is the seconds, minute into seconds. Now, how many minutes are there in 9 hours? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 9 hours equal to 60 into 9, 540 minutes. 13 hours 45 minutes. 13 into 60, 780 minutes plus 45. 5, 8, 4, 2, 7, 1, 8, 825 minutes. 1 by 2 hours equal to 7 to the 14, 15 by 2 into 60, that is 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 15 30, 3, 15 the 45, so 450 minutes. Okay, 2 hours 80 minutes equal to 2 hours equal to 60, 120 minutes plus 80, 138 minutes. So, we will convert the given time in days. 3 weeks, 1 equal to 7 days, 3 equal to 23 into 7, 21 days. 5 weeks, 4 days, that is 5 into 7, 35 days plus 4, 39 days. Okay. So, convert the time in week and days. 21 days equal to 7 days equal to 1 week, 1 day is equal to 1 by 7 week, 21 days equal to 21 by 7, 3 weeks. 75 days. 75 days means 1 week equal to 7 days, so 75 days equal to 75 by 7. 10 weeks, 5 days. 10 weeks, 5 days. 210 days, 210 by 7, 30 weeks. Okay. So, add the given time, minutes, seconds, 24 minutes, 42 seconds, 77, 11, 213, 415, 7, 4, 11, 5, 51 minutes, 35, 53 seconds. Minutes, seconds, 32 minutes, 19, 20, 53. That is 72 seconds, 52 minutes. So, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So, we take 60 seconds. Minus 60 means 12. So, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So, plus 1. So, 53 minutes, 12 seconds. Okay. Hours, minutes, seconds. 2 hours, 43 minutes, 10 seconds. That is 8 hours, 37 minutes, 48 seconds. 58 seconds, 80 minutes, 10 hours. So, 80 minutes minus 60. 60 minutes, I take 60 minutes. So, 20 minutes and 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So, 11 hours, 20 minutes, 58 seconds. Okay. Years, months. 6 years, 8 months. So, 7 years, 3 months. 8, 3, 11 months, 13 years. Years, months, 10 years, 5 months. 12 years, 7 months. 9 months. 14 months, 22 years. 14 months, 12 months equal to 1 year. So, minus 12. So, 2 plus 1, 23 years, 2 months. 7 weeks, 3 days. 5 weeks, 3 to 5 days. 5, 7, 12 weeks. So, 12 weeks, 5 days. Okay. Subtraction. Minutes, seconds. 40 minutes, 37 seconds. 34 minutes, 15 seconds. So, 22 seconds minus 22 seconds, 6 minutes. Okay. C. Hours, minutes, seconds. 2 hours, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. That is 55 minutes, 68. 60 say 58 minus, so 60. Oh, 2 seconds. 59, 4 minutes are 1 hours. Okay. 20 hours, 37 minutes, 48 seconds. 17, 22, 2. So, 32 seconds, 15 minutes, 3 hours. Okay. In this procedure, you have to subtract all these things. That is, multiply. 14 minutes, 10 seconds, 6. 60 seconds, 84 minutes. 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. That is 84 minutes plus 1 minute. 84 ke sath 1, 85 minutes. Okay. 6 hour 23 minutes. That is 23 into 11, 253 minutes. 66 hours. So 253 मिनट्स इक्वल टू 4 मिनट्स, तो 4 यहाँ पर ऐड होगा और 13 -13, सो 4 hours 13 minutes, 66 hours 4 hours plus 70 hours 30 minutes. Okay, divide 8 minutes 3 seconds by 3 minutes seconds, 483 minutes, so seconds minutes, sorry, 8 minutes 3 seconds, so 8 minutes equal to 480 seconds plus 3, 483 seconds. 3 divide by 3, 161 seconds, 161 seconds by 60 equal to 2 minutes 41 seconds. Okay, 4 hours 8 minutes, 4 hours 8 minutes, 240 minutes plus 8, 248 minutes. 8 say 8 3 ja 24, 8 8 1 8, 31 minutes. Okay, so now I revised your chapters 13, that is time, how you change hours into minutes, minutes into hours, vice versa, minutes into hours, seconds into minutes, minutes into seconds, days into weeks, weeks into days, etc. and etc. And I also revise addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. And you also revise all these sums at home. And next day I also revise chapter 14 percentage. And you also learn, you also practice all these sums at home, and I hope you prepare yourself for the exam. Thank you.